So this little tweet you see here was actually from back on November 15th, 2022. And it's a true story. Some of you saw it on Twitter and I never followed up with it. And this actually happened. I was at a client's house, my phone rings, I answer hello, and all I hear is, "The package just delivered at your door." So my simple response was, "Well, I'm at a client's. Can you come on down and bring it in and set it up in my office?" That conversation took place between me and Geek with Social Skills. And that's what this little video is going to be about. The package that arrived on November 15th, 2022. What was in it? It was on November 7th. I was reading through a tweet that Chad posted on the Radio SepTandy vintage group he has, in where he was looking for a Coco computer. And as I'm reading through, I see a post on there or a tweet on there from Geek with Social Skills, how he has a Coco 2 that might be available soon. So I figure, what the heck? Let me throw my bid out there and see what happens. Well, to my surprise, Geek with Social Skills reaches out to me on a DM, and after a short exchange and a phone call or two, we came to a great agreement on a machine that he was actually working on for a video. And that brings us to this picture, which was a tweet I put on Twitter, and pretty much left it at that point, leaving everyone hanging. And inside that box was a Coco 2 that Geek with Social Skills posted a video or two on. As he was given this computer, it was a barn find, and he basically went through, made sure it was working, and did a little upgrade here or there that was needed, and then boxed it up and shipped it on down my way. So without further ado, I will get into the video of the unboxing of that so you can see it. So you'll see here, Geek with Social Skills spared no expense when it came to packaging this. Very well done. No problems in the shipping either. So it came to me in as good condition as it possibly could. You can tell by the box it's obviously seen some weathering and sitting in the barn clearly. He did have all the documentation that came with it, and that was pretty cool, or at least it looks like most all of it. He also included a cartridge you can see in there, and pulling out that cartridge, it turned out to be the Coco's audio spectrum analyzer program. So that'll be something to play with here in the future. Got our subscription, start our subscription for some news and other information. Got our quick start pamphlet guide. For those of us that don't like to read instructions, we barely even look at this at times. And on to the user manual. And it's in very good condition. All of this stuff is. There's no marks or stains or water damage on any of the pages. So that's in real good shape, like it's still new. And lastly is an important note for you color computer users out there about using the joystick fire button and such. So getting it out of the box there. The keys feel really good. Has a good key feel. You'll notice what should be a white key, they're pretty yellow. The whole thing has got more yellowing than you can see here. Cartridge port is clean though. Geek with Social Skills did do a good job cleaning this unit up. One thing though on the side here is you can't see it in the video, but there's some very faint gray specks, almost like overspray from a spray can. Another cool feature, and Geek showed this on his video, the serial number 0001234. That's pretty cool. So there you go. I'd like to thank Geek with Social Skills on this barn find It is a great little Coco 2. And I'm sure he gave up on me putting this video out. Should have been out a year ago, but here we are. Got it out for SepTandy 2023, and hope you all enjoyed it. So for this machine, there will be 1 or 2 other videos of me doing a complete teardown and detail on it, plus retro bright, and get those yellow keys white again. So be on the lookout for those sometime here in the future. Till the next time, take care.